Hello everyone! So, remember that phase I went through when posting all those so-called versions of various music? Well, in case you don't, I'll provide a link in the description taking you to my playlist full of them. And in case you have no idea what I mean at all by so-called versions of songs, well, the whole idea originates from Undertale. You got the original song Snowy, so it sounds pretty much normal, right? This is the so-called version of it that's found in the game. As you can see, it sort of like distorts the song a bit, changing the speed and the pitch, and just being overall weird. Anyway, if you've noticed what I've done before with that was I took various other songs and put the so-called effect over them. And so anyway, I've realized for a while now that the original so-called tutorial video made by someone else doesn't exist anymore, apparently. So I decided to make one myself for those who want to try this out with other songs. I mean, the possibilities are pretty much endless, and it's funny to hear the results. So first of all, you need the game Undertale. Obviously, that's where this whole thing originates from in the first place. Second, you want to make sure your save file in Undertale is at the true lab, but up until where you haven't fought the so-called amalgamate yet. So, the first thing you need to do here is right-click your Undertale application and open your file location. It's the easiest way to do it, and this is if you got it from Steam and stuff. It works either way. So, here you can obviously see all the audio files and the music files that are found in the game. Now, when you reach the so-called part in the Undertale game, it basically takes the song file of Snowy and then distorts it and changes the pitch and speed at random moments, of course, as you've heard before. And Snowy is the only song that will produce the so-called effect. So, therefore, if we take any song at all and replace Snowy with that song, then the game will distort that same song. So, here's the basics. So first of all, you take any song you want. Me, I'm just going to pick Megalovania just for the heck of it. Second, you need to convert this, as you can see in the Undertale music folder or whatever, these are OGG files. So this is an MP3 file, we need to convert it to an OGG file. And I'm sure there's plenty of softwares that can do this type of stuff. I mean, you can use Audacity, you can use this program called WinFF, which can convert audio files into other types of audio files and videos into audio files and stuff like that. I'll just use Audacity just because, I use it for pretty much everything else on this channel. So anyway, you simply just export as an OGG file. Simple as that. But here's the catch. In order to replace the Snowy file, it needs to have the exact same name, otherwise it won't recognize it as the Snowy file, therefore it won't do the so-called effect. So it's mus_snowy. So thus, you want to give it that exact same name. Obviously, you can't have two songs with the same name in the same folder. Therefore, you can take that original song Snowy and just move it someplace where, you know where it is. Like in this case, I'll just put it in my documents folder. If it'll move there. Okay, apparently I'm having technical difficulties. So anyway, I just went to my other Undertale, my non-Steam Undertale application that I have, and so move the Snowy to the documents. There, see? It worked perfectly fine that time. Then you open up your folder that has your new Megalovania file, so here, and you place it into your Undertale folder. And so, voila, you got your brand new Snowy. You should realize it's different from the others because it's got the date I'm making this with all the other ones. So, you're pretty much all set from here. Just, make sure you're opening up the Undertale application that's that you're modifying, obviously. So I will give you an example. Here we go. So as soon as you get into the boss battle, there you go. Sounds very interesting. But anyway, there you have it. That's pretty much it. And then you can just use any video recording software, whether it be OBS or Bandicam, like I'm using, to record the audio, and then convert the video file into an audio file, and there you go. So anyway, that was my So Cold tutorial. So it's simple as that. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're able to understand it better. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or let me know somehow. So yeah, that's all for today.